See, this is why I always say do your checks. And I know in the video I say you need brand new pipes. You don't particularly need brand new pipes. It's just because I've seen loads of times when people take these particular pipes off, they always get damaged because they're very fragile. So just be careful if you are going to a scrapyard and get them taken off. But the idea of it and just the actual thing of the video is just to say, look, do your checks. Over a stupid little thing is going to cause hundreds of pounds worth of damage. So just do your weekly, daily checks. And these things won't happen. It's so important. You want to try and save money, you want to try and do stuff, well, just spend a couple of minutes and do your checks. Yes, I know it's not easy to get underneath the vehicle and stuff like that, but even if you just go to somebody and, you know, you get a jack, you put the car on the ramps, you do something, even if you have to pay a couple of euros for it, a couple of quid, it can save you a fortune in the long run. You'll see what I mean in the video. Sorted. Ford Mondeo. Alternator not charging, and as you can see, this is the air conditioning pump, but the bracket snapped. Now, why has the bracket snapped? Well, one bolt was missing, but what else has it done? This is why I say in a lot of my videos, do your weekly checks or do checks. It's just can save a fortune. Now, this has broke because this bolt is missing, so it's either come loose, wasn't tightened properly, I don't know, but anyway, it was missing, which caused this to twist, which caused that to break, and it's also caused this, which is the main mount. It's caused our air conditioning pipes to break, you can see here and here, and it's also caused our alternator to break. So, alternator is kind of the cheapest thing. If you want your air conditioning pipe back, all these pipes have to be brand new, regassed. It's going to cost a fortune. All down to one 13mm bolt. That's actually, when you look at it, has snapped. So there we go. Someone's over tightened it and snapped it. This should have been checked and seen that the bolt was missing and sorted it out, because now it's caused, well, an absolute small fortune, to the point where I don't think the customer is going to want to spend the money it's going to cost to put all this right. We're talking hundreds and hundreds. This is why I say do your weekly checks, not just because, you know, for the hell of it, it's because there is a reason. And you can see this is one of the reasons. All down to one bolt missing / snapped. If this was picked up sooner, it's just a case of either disconnecting the air conditioning pump and not using it, or fixing the bolt. Now we've obviously snapped the bracket, which you can see there has been snapped. This is damaged. Possibly the alternator is damaged because this has been pushed at an angle which has caused this to rip. Has it also damaged the alternator? Well, we have to take it off and find out. So there's a lot more work. Plus, obviously, the pipe's broken out this AC pump. All over, say, a 50-cent bolt. To repair all this properly is going to be over €1,000. Over a 50-cent bolt. So yeah, always do checks. If you don't want to do them, or you don't know how, just take it to someone that does, and this sort of stuff can stop happening and causing thousands of pounds worth of damage to your cars.